Hey there, future tech leaders. Get ready to future-proof your career with the most demanded IT skills in 2024. Discover the essential skills to thrive in the evolving field of technology and unlock incredible opportunities. Welcome to Tycatec, your go-to source for staying on top of cutting-edge technologies and the hottest IT skills. Don't just keep up, lead the way. We've done the research, and we're here to guide you through the skills that'll propel you to success. Unveiling in-demand IT skills. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, it is essential to identify the most sought-after skills. So join us as we uncover the IT skills that will set you apart from others and make your career flourish. By acquiring these most demanded IT skills in 2024, you'll future-proof your career and unlock exciting opportunities. AI and cybersecurity. Arm yourself for the future. Now let's explore how AI and ML are changing industries as cyber threats continue to be a concern. It's time to equip yourself with knowledge to tackle these advancing threats and become tomorrow's cybersecurity hero. AI skills involve designing, building, and using algorithms and models that allow machines to learn from data, make predictions, and improve without explicit programming. Cybersecurity skills mean knowing how to protect networks, devices, programs, and data from attacks or unauthorized access. It includes risk management, threat detection, and response strategies. Multicloud. Unlock endless possibilities. Ready to unleash the power of multi-cloud environments and open doors to endless possibilities? Proficiency across multiple cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP is key for success in this digital era. Multi-cloud skills include designing, implementing, and managing applications and services across various cloud platforms, with a focus on performance, cost, flexibility, security, and compliance. Python programming language. Unleash your inner coding ninja. All right, it's time to unlock your coding potential with Python. The Swiss Army knife of IT Gartner ranks it as a critical digital skill for tech-savvy professionals of tomorrow. Python skills include being proficient in using this high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. These skills also involve the ability to create various applications, such as web development, data analysis, and machine learning. Kubernetes. Shape your future success. Shape your future success with Kubernetes expertise. We have some real-world success stories tied to this trailblazing technology that companies just can't resist. Kubernetes skills include deploying, managing, and scaling containerized applications using an open-source orchestration system that automates application deployment, scaling, and management.